Gurley trying to become the third Rams rookie to go over 1,000 yards on the ground. Dickerson and Bettis, the other two. And a nickel package for Tampa Bay. Toss it to Gurley. Down the sideline, Gurley. That's knocked out of bounds. Welker, the veteran. Keenum dumps it off. Gurley the catch. Gurley. Give it to Gurley. Gurley extending for the goal line. Touchdown! That puts him at 1,000 yards on the button in his rookie season.
To make the stadium thing work, and it'll just be decided here very shortly, though, as the NFL has set a deadline.
Gurley with a good run on first down. Gurley has gone over the 1,000-yard mark tonight in his rookie season. Third Ram to do it. Go back to 1993. That is Jerome Bettis. And 1983, Eric Dickerson.
Well, a couple Hall of Famers, good company to be in.